At Baker Creek, growing seeds for your garden starts early in ours. Every day, in ways small and profound, our expert team of gardeners and farmers is sweating the details to make sure that the seeds we sell are the purest and best they can be. Sometimes that means tying up the tomato vines as they grow toward the light, or making sure that the fruit is growing true to type. Nearly 25 years ago now, founder Jer Gettle started Baker Creek Heirloom Seeds with $100 and a dream of sharing the unique and beautiful varieties he loves. We've grown a lot since then, but we've always stayed close to our roots. Harvesting is an essential part of the work, but it's only a small part. Once the fruit is brought in from the fields, the seeds must be carefully separated from it and then cleaned and dried before being tested for purity and germination. It's hands-on work that takes time, attentiveness, and care. Work that, as gardeners, we know you understand. Whether it's preparing the soil, or nurturing the seedlings, or watering and transplanting, it's work that happens in many cycles and seasons, not just one. Growing the tens of thousands of plants in the trial gardens and greenhouses each year is work that takes place quietly and largely out of sight. That didn't seem quite right, so we thought we should give you a peek. If all this seems like a love letter to all the ones with their hands in the soil every season of the year, that's because it is.